Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Computer users have encountered various type of errors while starting their computer. This error one of them. CMOS settings wrong. So how can we solve it easily by two steps? So stay tuned. This is BIOS battery. This error occurs when the motherboard's BIOS battery is damaged. Let's now see how to turn on the computer if you don't have the BIOS battery immediately. We will press F2 or Del for BIOS setup. Then we will go system date. We will press numeric key to change the date. First one is month. We will change. Then we will press enter to change the position. And we will put date and enter 2025 and press down arrow button to set system time. First one is hour and second is minute. So we will put hour and enter to change the position, and we will put minute. After completing, we will press F4 for save and exit. Press F4 and enter. The computer will start. This is not permanent solution. It will occur after starting the PC next. So permanent solution is need to change the BIOS battery. For that we will change the BIOS battery. We will replace BIOS battery now. For that we will remove BIOS battery from motherboard using a screwdriver or look like this. This one is damaged BIOS battery, and I will insert the new one. This one I will insert it. After inserting, we will change the time and date again, because after resetting the BIOS battery, the time and date will reset. So we will need to set up now again. For that, press Del, change the date and time. We will change the value and enter for change the position. And after finishing, we will press F4 and save. This is permanent solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.